FLV stands for Flash Video. Since Adobe killed Flash, these files don't play in browsers anymore, but you can still play them locally using VLC Media Player. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's load it up. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor FLV errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. An FLV file is a video file format used by Adobe Flash Player and Adobe AIR for delivering video content over the internet. It was widely popular for streaming video on websites like YouTube before the adoption of HTML5 video. FLV files can contain both video and audio data, typically encoded using codecs like H.264 for video and MP3 or AAC for audio. FLV files use a container format that encapsulates video and audio streams. The file structure includes metadata describing the video and audio codecs, frame rates, and other properties. FLV files are designed for efficient streaming and playback, but they are less commonly used now due to the decline of Flash Player and the rise of more modern video formats. The primary software for FLV is recognized as Adobe Flash Player, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows can play many video formats in built-in or installed players. Your first move is to test the obvious. Right-click your FLV file and choose Open With. Use Adobe Flash Player if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. We are performing a quick elimination test. If your FLV file will not open, do not worry. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the FLV problem. First, use Alternative Player. Install and use a robust player like VLC Media Player that can handle the FLV format. Next, convert to MP4. Use a video converter tool to convert the FLV file to a guaranteed compatible format like MP4. Finally, check codecs. Ensure the necessary video codecs are installed on your system. When every program rejects your FLV file, it is often a victim of naming overlap where multiple proprietary formats share the same extension. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. I recommend switching to the FileMagick Universal Reader. It solves nearly every FLV file issue with one click. Get it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. FileMagick can handle the obscure formats. Remember,